Okay, I'm just going to do a little update on the Titanic stuff. That's the 401 rivet. For people who don't know, the Olympic was the keel number 400 and the Titanic was 401. This is basically the rivet. It's a 3-inch steel rivet, £1 in weight. There's only a couple of videos on this on YouTube about this rivet, but yeah, so it's about £1 in weight. It had 3 million rivets in the keel, equating to about about 1,500 tons. Inch thick, 3 inches long. So that is identical to identical to the whole rivet. That is the base. Yeah, I'm just gonna look at the base. I don't know if I can get it on there. I don't even know if I can. Yeah. RMS Titanic 401 rivet. But yeah, basically that was the 401, which was the build of the Titanic. It had 3 million rivets in it, weighing about £1 each, 1,500 tons, just rivets alone. That ship, to stay afloat that long, there's not a ship on this water now with the big cruise ships that could survive as long as the Titanic did. Even these big cruise ships, they're 3 times the size, but they just turn over. They would absolutely be wrecked. Anyway, when I got this rivet, it was it just had a little bit of like grease, whatever you get on it, grease, whatever, and it come on red baize. I've changed the red baize to green baize because why would it be red? It was made by Helen the Wolf in Ireland, so it has to be green. Yeah, it wasn't great. The grease was coming off it, and it was kind of silver, so I thought, yeah, what I'd do is like heat fucking treat it. Excuse my French. I heat it up to about 400 to 600 degrees surface temperature, and then dumped it in oil. I did that a few times actually, but yeah, I think it's really nice. I'll tell you something else that's really nice as well. I want to show you that. If you can get that on screen, get my finger out of the way, because my finger's in the fucking way. Excuse my French again, because I do have Tourette's. What is that? I can't really tell you what it says. It says, what does it say? Hold on. Oh, it's Titanic anyway. And on the other side, I don't know if you can zoom in on that, but yeah, it's a nice little piece. If nobody knows, I am a big fan of the Titanic. Always have been, always will be. Yeah, I'm just throw that in there. I'll just throw this in there as well. And that little baby. I'm gonna rematch it and put all the. I'm gonna rematch it and put all the telegraph wires and everything on it. But thank you for watching. Thank you, Titanic.